Okay, so areas that AI is really going to help bolster, it's going to help bolster purchasing, because ultimately what you're going to get is you're going to need to know not only how much inventory is out there, but also what inventory is on its way. And you also need to be able to find what your best vendors and suppliers are. So AI is going to help you parse through all of that information to get some of the best prices out there and really the best deliveries to your particular location. The second thing is really around being able to order right for your customers and order efficiently for your customers. They don't want to be stuck with extra product as well. They want to make sure that they have the right product, and they're going to hold you to a scorecard that ultimately, if you show up with the right amount of product, then you're going to be on top of their list. If you're showing up with too much product and leaving stale on the shelf, it's going to be a problem. And then the third thing I would say is really around an industry standard called scan-based trading. If you're doing any work in retail, you're using scan-based trading. And what that is, where your customer is going to pay you what goes across their scanner. So you want to be able to take that information that you're getting from them, all of this digital data, and parse through it very quickly, making sure that you're not leaving stale on the shelf, you're delivering the right amount of product at the right time, because honestly, every loaf that has to be pulled back is another dollar removed from your profitability.